Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is time. Let us review reading and writing time. First of all, we will draw a clock. Now, you can see a clock in your home. You can see here are 12 numbers on a clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here are 12 number on faces of a clock. Each number represent time in hour and there are 3 hands in a clock. Hour hand, minute hand and third one is second hand. Hour hand is shortest of all the 3 hands. Hour hand moves from one number to next number on the face of a clock. Hour hand moves from one number to another in 60 minutes. Okay, and it completes one rotation in 12 hours. Okay, there are 60 marking on rounding clock. Means two numbers are further divided into 5 subparts like this. Each part is further divided into 5 subparts and here are 60 marking on rounding the clock. Minute hand, second hand is minute hand which moves faster than hour hand. Okay, it completes one rotation in 1 hour and it moves from one marking to another in 1 minute. Okay, it completes one rotation in 1 hour, but hour hand completes one rotation in 12 hours. So minute hand is faster than hour hand. Last one is second hand. Second hand moves fastest of the 3 hands. Second hand from one marking to another in every second and it completes one rotation in just 1 minute. So it is fastest of all the 3 hours. Smallest is hour hand, then minute hand and third one is second hand. Okay, now you should remember that in one day there are 24 hours. Okay, in 1 hour here are 60 minutes and in 1 minute here are 60 seconds. You should remember this. In one day here are 24 hours. In 1 hour here are 60 minutes and 1 minute here are 60 seconds. So now let us read and write time. How we can read time by a watch. Let us draw a watch. Okay, now as you know here are 12 number on the faces of this clock like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, now how we can read time? Let us draw a, suppose I am drawing here hour hand and this is our minute hand. Okay, now what is the time by this watch? Now when minute hand is at 12, then we can write time simply by hour hand. Okay, now hour hand is at 9, so it means it is 9 o'clock. When minute hand is at 12, we will simply write time by looking at hour hand. Now in this clock hour hand is at 9, so it is 9 o'clock. We can write like this: 9 double dot 0 0. So it means it is 9 o'clock. Okay, again I am drawing another clock like this. Okay, again you know here are 12 number on the faces of clock: 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. Now if minute hand is at not 12, it is at another place. Suppose hour hand is at 10, okay, and minute hand is at 6. Then what is the time by this watch? Okay, now in this hour hand is at 10 but minute hand at is 6. So what is the time? Now our hand tells us r, it means 12 double door. Now how many minutes? Minutes, it is at 6. Now we know each part is further divided into 5 subparts. Between 12 and 1 here are 5 subparts. Between 1 and 2 here are again 5 subparts. So each two numbers are further divided into 5 subparts. So we will multiply simply the number by 5. Now minute hand is at 6. We will multiply 6 by 5. 6 into 5, 30. So it is 30 minutes. So 10:30. Okay. Now again I am drawing another watch. Okay, I am taking another example. Suppose it is here is a watch. Now 12 here, 3 here, 6 here, and here 9. Okay, now suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, now suppose our hand is at 1 but minute hand is at 3. Okay, now what is the time by this watch? We will write time simply by, now our hand is at 1, it means 1 double dot. Now minute hand is at 3, so we multiply 3 by 5. 5 into 3, 15. So 1:15. So what is the time by this watch? 1:15. So in this way we can read and write time. Okay, now let us remember some things you should know. Some 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, you should remember this. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So if you want to convert hour into minutes, you have to multiply the number by 60. Suppose how many minutes are there in 5 hours? What you will do? You will multiply 5 by 60. So here are 300 minutes. Okay, for converting hour into minutes, we will multiply the number simply by 60. Okay, similarly, in 1 week, here are 7 days. You already learned about it. In 1 week, here are 7 days. Suppose we want to find out days in 5 weeks. How many days are there in 5 weeks? So we will multiply 5 by 7 because here are 7 days in 1 week. We will write relation between week and days. We know in 1 week, hey, 1 week, here are 7 days. Okay, so in 5 weeks, how many days? 5 into 7, it is 35 days. Okay, similarly, in 1 year, you should know in 1 year, here are 12 months. You should remember this. In 1 year, here are 12 months. So how many year in 6? How many months in 6 years? Okay, suppose you want to convert years into month. What you will do? You will simply multiply the number by 12 because here are 12 months in a year. Okay, so 6 into 12. Okay, how many? 72. You can multiply 12 by 6. So 72 months. So in a year, here are 12 months. So in 6 year, here are 72 months. Okay, suppose you want to convert 7 hours into minutes. Okay, so how many minutes are there in 7 hours? Because in 1 hour here are 60 minutes, so we multiply 7 by 60. So how many minutes? 420 minutes. In this way you can convert bigger unit into smaller units. Okay, let us revise another thing. Suppose you want to find out month in 5 years. How many months are in 5 years? In 1 year here are 12 months, so we multiply 5 by 12. So here are 60 months in 5 years. Okay, so in this way you can convert a bigger unit into smaller unit. Okay, so in this video we have learned about how we can read and write time and how we can convert bigger units into smaller unit related to time. Okay.